Hello guys, this is Art from Techno Guy. Today we're going to go over a quick tip showing how to move data from Excel over into Microsoft Word inside of our demo contract. Let's get started. I'm going to open up Spreadsheet, and then I'm also going to open up our demo contract, and here we go. On the left we have our demo contract, on the right we have our spreadsheet. And then what it is I am trying to create multiple contracts, but I'm tired of coming in here and writing something and then having to change it every time and then save it as a new contract. What if there's a way to do it all in one shot? Yes, there is. That's a mail merge. So for this case, we have the LLC name. So I'm going to go over to my spreadsheet. I'm going to type in LLC name. Go to my next column. We also need a LLC member name. I'm thinking of all the fields that I'm going to have to add in here or merge in here. Okay, so the next thing is member address, and then we're going to have third party name. Third party address. We're going to have county, state. What else do we have? Amount. Okay. So looks like I have the fields covered. I'm going to go ahead and select all of these. And then I am going to insert, or go to data and insert table, and then our table has headers. Boom. Okay. So now I can say my LLC name is Acme LLC. The member name is John Doe. We have 123 Main Street. Third party name is Sally. Bob. We have other street. Wayne County, Michigan. And we'll say the amount is for $35,000. That's the contract amount. Now I want to go ahead and make sure I have this saved. I want to go back over to my Word document, and then I'm going to go to mailings, and I'm going to select recipients, use an existing list, go to the folder where I have that, in this case my demo folder. I'm going to select the spreadsheet that I used. Yes, the first row has headers. Click OK. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select where I want to insert my first field that I want to populate. So in this case it's going to be the LLC name. I'm going to go ahead and insert merge field, and then here you can see our column headers. So this is going to be the LLC name. Okay, I'm going to toggle off preview results, and then you'll see that this is now that variable, or the merge field that's going to be imported. Okay, the next thing is going to be the member name. So I'm going to highlight John Doe, and I'm going to go ahead and insert the LLC member name. The next thing I'm going to do is do the address as well. Do Main Street. We're going to insert the field, member address, and so on and so on. I'll go ahead and fill these in real quick. The member name, Main Street, and we're going to do county, state, and we're going to go back to the member name, and then the contract. contract amount for last. Here's the amount. Okay, now we can go up and preview results, see how this looks. Bam, there you go. See that? Looks pretty good, huh? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add another row of data just so you can see how it goes. This one's... Okay, so one of the key takeaways is once you're done doing this, make sure you save it. Then go back over here, go to select recipients again on your document, and then grab that list again, or grab the spreadsheet you were working out of, and then import it again, and that's going to allow you to refresh that data. So now if we show results, we can go here, and then you'll see the second row. So you see I went to the next row, and then you see we have a new set of data. And then if you wanted to print, you could we could select which contract we wanted to print out, and then that's it. You guys got any other questions, please feel free to reach out. If you like what you see, like, subscribe. Let me know what else you want to see. Hope this helped. Thanks.